What the fuck, buds? Holy fuck. Yo, the fucking thing just stopped. It just fucking stopped. But holy fuck, it's on smoke. It just fucking stopped and smoke went on. Yeah, I just fucking stopped. I'm on the highway. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck happened. I wasn't even going fast.
You get it?
No, it just fucking...
No, you want me to put it out?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I turned it off. I need to get the key out. Can you get the key out for me?
Can I get it out?
I'll get it. I'm on the... Holy fuck, buds. I don't know what the fuck happened. It just fucking... I was going...
I saw flames, dude.
What the fuck happened?
I don't know. You lost a bunch of fluid? What, were you in gear or what happened?
Yeah, it just fucking... I don't know what the fuck happened, bud.
Is this gas? That's oil.
It just started leaking oil. Like the check engine, like, flew on.
You're leaking something.
What the fuck?
Oh yeah, you're leaking. You're probably spraying a bit of oil.
I'm on by Westmount Drive.
Exit 7.
Exit 7.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
I just saw flames. I don't...
Fuck, man. Do I call the cops? Or?
You're gonna need a tow. I don't think it's gonna go up anymore.
Yeah, I know.
Do you wanna open the... You wanna open the hood?
I just work at the dealership.
No, something's leaking.
Dude, it's fucked. Like, I don't know. It just smoke just started coming out the back.
Is it still drivable?
Huh?
Is it still drivable?
No, it's not sure.
I would try and get it off the road.
I still don't understand.
Do you want to push it?
Yeah.
Let's push it. Let's do it. We're gonna get it off the
I'm on Westman Road. So
upper level.
So like probably like 5 minutes away.
Gas station's right there, right?
Yeah, so the dealership's just down there, so we're just fucking...
That's crazy.
I don't know what happened. Like, I always do, like, I'm filming we do videos for these guys, and I don't know what the fuck. Okay, no big deal. Like, fuck, can you come here, bud? Or, I don't know, like, this guy's helping me for
Hydro.
Yeah. But,
Oh, it's cool. Tell him we'll move it, okay, then call him back.
yeah, we're gonna have to tow it, probably.
Yeah. But let's get it off the roof.
Yeah, I'm gonna push on the road with this guy. I'll send you my location.
What's this here?
Oh,
Look.
what the fuck's this?
Something came out.
Huh? I don't know, like, I'll be honest, like, I wasn't even, like, ripping it. Like, I was going to speed limit. Like, I don't know.
Oh yeah, you're losing crazy. Hey dude, open this up. We gotta put it on.
I don't even know what to
Tell him
open
you'll
it.
call him later. Is there any... there must be a... Is it inside? There must be a release.
Not for reverse.
There's gotta be a... Holy shit, we gotta get up in there. Hang on.
Fuck me, man. Should I call 911?
How the hell do you open that?
Fuck, man.
There's got to be some kind of release, right?